Maayong buntag mga kapaglaom. Welcome to Health Beats. Glutathione gains its popularity in the market in the form of beauty products such as beauty soap, cream, tablets, and injections. But here is a fact. Don't you know that your body produces glutathione? Yes, glutathione is synthesized in your cells and in your liver from the amino acid cysteine, glutamic acid, and glycine. Glutathione has multiple functions. It is the major endogenous antioxidants produced by the cells. Thus, it is the body's master antioxidants and detoxifier. It maintains exogenous antioxidants such as vitamins C and E in their reduced or active forms. It helps regulate the normal functioning of the blood vessels, and it participates in DNA synthesis and repair, protein synthesis, prostaglandin synthesis, amino acid transport, and enzyme activation. And it involves in iron metabolism. Studies revealed you cannot increase glutathione levels in the body with supplemental pill form of glutathione. Here are some of the foods that would enhance glutathione synthesis: egg, soy milk, goat's milk, rice bran, sulfur-containing vegetables such as pechay, cabbage, onion, garlic, cauliflower, broccoli, malunggay, mustard, okra, asparagus, green beans, red beets, turnips, avocado, watermelon, and peaches, and the rest of the fruits and vegetables, nuts, and grains. A steady daily intake of glutathione-supportive foods is the best way to maintain high levels of glutathione. However, they are best when eaten raw since they are sensitive to heat. This is Miss Laila reminding you, why spend for which is not good? Be healthy is a wise choice.